Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and today mag-unbox tayo. Titignan natin kung ba meron dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. So, kanina I actually unboxed the Omega H Duo. This one's the Omega Lite 4. So, what's the difference between the two? Well, with the Omega Lite 4, we're seeing an Android Go edition ng Android 8.1 Oreo. Kasi, well, we do have a, lower specifications dito sa Omega Lite 4. So, ano bang specifications ng smartphone na to? Well, the Omega Lite 4 does have a MediaTek MT6580 processor. Meron siyang 5-inch FWVGA Plus IPS display, which is, by the way, this is an 18:9 display aspect ratio. There's 1 GB of RAM, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera. There's 8 gigs of internal storage. There's dual SIM. There's 3G. Of course, 2,000 milliamperes of battery, and it's really affordable at 2,999 pesos. So, what are we waiting for? So, let's unbox and let's take a closer look dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. Okay guys, so you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. So, you already know the specifications. This is an Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition smartphone. So, let's unbox this one. Yan. So, we got here smartphone already. It's actually pretty tiny. Okay? Quite small. Really handy. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. Before that, let's talk about what's inside the smartphone. So first, of course, we got here the micro USB to USB cable. So makikita natin yan dito. Ayan. Just the typical Cherry Mobile cable. Then, of course, we got here the earphones, which is just, again, a basic earphones na mga gamit nyo. Pwede nyo pa music. So, this one's really affordable naman, so you don't have to worry about it. And then, of course, we got here the charger, which is rated at, what's this? Is this 600 milliamperes, which is quite small, considering na meron tayong mga 800 mAh na chargers. So, yan. Really small lang. Then, of course, we got here the battery. So, let's check out the battery. So the smartphone is rated at 2,000 milliamperes of battery. I mean, it's small. It's, again, we do have a really handy smartphone, so I'm not really expecting na ganun siya kalaki. 2,000, I believe, is just enough for its size. And then, of course, we got here the manuals and things na hindi nyo man binabasa. Okay, guys, so we have here the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. So, ilagay na natin yung battery para malaman natin kung ba meron sa smartphone na to. So, nilagay na natin yung battery ng smartphone. In-on na natin siya. So, makikita nyo, it's 2,000 milliamperes of battery. We got here the LED flash. Actually, meron pa nga ditong icon na makikita sa part na to. And then, of course, we got here the camera. So, we got here also the SIM card slots. I believe this is micro or nano SIM card slots. But yeah, you can put the SIM cards in here. And then, of course, we got here the micro SD card slot. Dito nyo lalagay micro SD card slot nyo. And let's place back yung kanyang back cover. So, yan. Di pa nakaset up yan. So, this one is actually plastic. It's a really cheap plastic at the back. However, pag ginawa ko naman, sobrang ergonomic niya. And I actually, again, like that this one is really small and really handy to the hand. Really handy na to the hand. It's really handy and ergonomic sa kamay. Then, of course, at the top, we got here the headphone jack. This is the micro USB port. And then, again, camera, LED flash, Cherry Mobile logo. Don't be fooled with that. Hindi siya antenna lines. Below, we got here the speaker grills. On the right side, we got here the power button, the volume rocker. And on the front, we got here the front camera. So, ito yung kanyang display. So, QR code setup. Wow, okay. So, may QR code setup if kailangan. This was the display. It's 18:9. So, medyo matangkad siya. Kaya rin siya handy. Kaya rin siya madaling hawakan. And then, of course, we got here the bezel. Well, it's not super thin. But again, it's an affordable smartphone. So, ano bang irereklamo nyo dito sa Cherry Mobile Omega 4 Lite? You're looking at the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4 na naka-setup na and everything. So, as you can see here, ito yung kamay ko and this is the smartphone. It has a 5-inch display and sobrang sobrang handy niya because of the small display. And it doesn't feel like a 5-inch kasi nga 18:9 siya, so mas madali pa siyang hawakan kaysa doon. Reminds me of the iPhone 4. Anyway, this is the launcher niya. Again, this one is running on Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition. So the applications are actually running on Go edition. So we have the Go Gmail. Yan, so got it. Check natin. So yan, I have my email here. Take me to my Gmail. So basically, makita nyo dito na, well, almost the same as yung sa Gmail counterpart niya sa Android, normal Android. But yeah, this one is more optimized sa lower hardware, which is, again, this is a Go edition. So we also got here the Go Assistant. So yan, Go Assistant para lang makapag meron ka ng Go na, assistant features like hello, okay Google, ganyan. Pero unlike other smartphones, kailangan mo pa talaga dito 18 to 10 bago ka makapag okay Google. Well, actually wala okay Google bago ka pa makapag-request sa mga gusto mo. And it's actually, yung speaker niya is hindi ganun kalakas and asexually. Wow, that's provoking. Anyway, we also got here the Go Files Go application, which is the file manager. The Facebook Lite. Again, we're a Facebook country. That's why Facebook Lite is really essential. And it doesn't have the full features of a normal Facebook na application, pero meron na siya mostly na kailangan natin. Then Maps Go. So one of the things ayoko dito sa Maps Go is actually para siyang web edition lang ng Google Maps. And yan, so yan, nagkakamera nga ng problema right now. Try natin exit lahat. Oh, sorry. My bad. So try ulit natin. So since this one is running on a lower end hardware, so don't expect too much from it. Yan, so try ulit natin. Maps Go. Yan. So meron pang bagay, guys, kailangan ko pa i-update yung smartphone. We have the Google Go application. So, you know, kailangan nyo mag-Google, pero the browser can do that already. And then, of course, Photos application. So yan. So, yung Photos application naman, hindi naman siya Go edition, I believe, kasi wala naman nakalagay na Go. And just like the Photos application na meron sa sa ating Android smartphones, pero tayo ditong assistant, backup photos, pwede tayo mag-backup and everything. Unlimited backup tayo with Google Photos as long as the quality is set at high and hindi nyo kailangan naka full resolution. So, nakita nyo na yung mga kasama yung applications. So, na Go edition. We also got here some applications na kasama from Cherry Mobile. So, first we got here the Movie Club. So, basically with Movie Club, all you need to do is to register and you can watch videos, TV shows, movies, Filipino TV shows for free. All you need to do is register. And most movies na pinapanood ko dito, the Movie Club, are actually yung mga lumang videos. Yan. Actually, they do have the Vines na yan. So, yung mga videos na sumisikat ngayon sa internet, then we have the viral videos. So, yan. This is the Movie Club. Really interesting. Sa mostly Filipino content tayo dito. So, wala magiging, you know, if mahilig kayo manood ng mga ganon. And then, of course, meron tayo ng wireless update in case may update. And, we forgot this one. This is the YouTube Go application. So, with YouTube Go, mas light version siya ng YouTube. So, mas pwede ka mag-download and then panoorin mo. Though it's not on HD, but you don't need that since you're using an Android Go edition smartphone. So, again, the Omega Lite 4 is not that powerful to handle those tasks. So, pagdating naman sa photos, well, we actually took some photos kanina. And yan, ito yung sinasabi ko, backup and sync. So I took 3 photos. I'm gonna show you. So this one is the normal shot, well-lit condition, and papansin nyo, well, it's not the best one na meron sa isang smartphone, but just a camera na magagamit nyo. Then of course, this one is low light. Then gumamit tayo ng flash. Surprisingly, may nakuha pa ng details. And then of course, a selfie. So medyo malapit yung camera niya pag nag-selfie kayo. And naka-over-sharpen yata ginagawa nila no sa live preview, pero pag nakuha mo na, iba na yung quality. So, still better than I expected pagdating sa selfie camera, but still not the best one na makikita mo sa price range siya. I mean, we do have a lot of smartphones these days na local or other brands na medyo affordable, pero you know, they can have a better na quality pagdating sa selfie. So, the camera application is actually very, parang default niya na makikita niyo sa previous Cherry Mobile smartphones. Nothing really special about it. But ito yung nakikita niyong mostly yung kanyang interface ng camera sa mga other or previous Cherry Mobile smartphones that we have reviewed before. Anyway, I think that's it for our hands-on unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4. Again, this one is really affordable. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph, and don't forget to check out my Facebook group at jamonline.ph, official Facebook group, and of course my website at my website at jamonline.ph. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing and hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Omega Lite 4.